Hello and welcome to Hypermotor's video of our 2021 VW Transporter. This model's a Highline, finished in metallic grey, and has the black pack fitted. 20-inch black wheels, black badges and grills, and front spoiler. Being the Highline, has front and rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, it's got DAB, it's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it's a factory Kombi, so it has the rear seats and the windows. Air conditioning, 2 keys, has the bench seat at the front, so it's a 6-seater version. Has the powerful mirrors, flat roof bars. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Thank you for watching.